We have heard many times on the internet and watched many videos and articles about Google hacks. What is Google and hacks and how it works and what is the what is the concept behind the Google hacks and how we can able to use the Google hacks like a pro, or you can say how to find the information in exact form on a Google, or how to use Google like a pro. If you have any question related to Google hacks or the uses of the Google pro, like a pro, then watch this video till end and I will try to tell you everything about Google hacks, which is can be useful for understanding Google as well as Google hacks.
Subscribe the Developer Vikas channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest video updates and notification about uploaded lectures, tricks, deals and other informations.
Hello friends, I'm Vikas and you are watching Developer Vikas. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Google hacks. Google hacks means not hacking some illegal things. It means just finding information with what I need. Means Google hacks means only one thing, that if you want to search any information on the internet, then you want to find in a exact form, that is known as a Google hacks. Google hacks means something we will want to search like a, if you want to search about Linux distributions and you don't want to insert this keyword like Ubuntu, because the Ubuntu is the also distribution of the Linux, so Ubuntu also came with in this search result. But when you type on the screen Linux and inserting a hyphen which is known as a minus sign, and if you insert the minus or hyphen and then type Ubuntu, then the in the search result the Ubuntu keyword is totally removed. You found all the results related to Linux distributions, but Ubuntu related to Ubuntu news or the result, it is automatically removed. So it is means if you want to search about any topics but not want to another topic related or correlated to with this, then you can use this hyphen symbol or hyphen sign, which is useful for you. And next example, if some students or the teachers or other persons who want to download the PDF or document files or XML files or other files which you want, and you want with a specific file format like PPTs, PDF, and any topic on any topic like global warming and other thing. And because we are here for many students, we want to create a PPT or other document file which is needed to submit in schools or assignments, then he have to do nothing, just go on Google and type PPT and give a semicolon, and next type the file name or topic name and hit enter, and now you can get easily this file without wasting your time. You can easily download and just change the some name and submit to the teachers. It is so easy. And next thing is about if you want to search anything but not on this particular topic related to this topic, then you have to use a asterisk sign, which is your keyboard. It is like a flow of the water, like a shine, which is known as asterisk. If you insert this keyword in your in your keyword, then you can easily search the any topic, but related topics cannot be found. Means you can got all other topics, related topics, but not this exact topics. Means if you want to search anything about Linux and Linux all distribution but not want to insert any keyword like Linux, then you have to type just Linux and asterisk symbol, and after this your Linux keyword is totally removed, or and the related keywords related to Linux can be easily showed on the screen. This is the total concept of the Linux means this is the total concept of the Google hacks like pro hacks. And there was many other options available on the internet which is useful for the Google. For another person which in using the Google can found easily information like currency conversion, Indian to INR, Indian to USD, INR to USD, or other currency conversion and unit conversations and other things. You have to just type just like USD to INR, and now you find the page where you can see the this page where one side you have to enter the USD value and other side INR, which you want you can convert. And you can also use the Google like a translator. You know that it is also available on apps, but you can easily type on Google Translator Hindi to English, and without selecting you find a page which is already selected for you Hindi to English. And other thing is you can able to use the Google like a calculator. You have to type nothing, just type the question on the Google and you can find the answer easily. And there was also calculator app which is used by the Google. You can also use them, and there was also many useful hacks of Google. You can easily find a list of Google hacks on the internet. You can Google it or crawl it. It is very easy. Some Google hacks are also given in the description, so check links, check check description for more information. And if you learn anything about the Google hacks, what is Google hacks and how we are able to use the Google hacks like a pro, then please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. Your suggestions are most welcome. And if you learned anything from this video, then like this video because it motivates me and gives energy to create new videos which is useful for you and gives me energy so I am able to create new videos. So thanks for watching.